For everyone using Android phone that needs free PDF editor offline without internet, consider to stay tuned to this video and see one of the best PDF editor offline that you can use on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to your Play Store right here. Go ahead and open up your Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, go ahead and click on search right here. The next thing you want to do is to come to search apps. Go ahead and type System Tweak PDF editor. Then hit enter. Then here you go. So at the time of making this video, about 10,000 plus are already download and use this particular PDF editor for free. So let's go ahead and check some of the things you can do with this PDF editor. Multiple PDF editing tools, simplify PDF tags, edit, sign, annotate, protect, and share your PDF with easy. Take control of your content, modify and refine effortlessly. You can edit, you can insert image, etc. You can highlight your PDF as the case may be, color your PDF. You can also scan to create a PDF all for free. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on the app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on install right here. After a successful installation, go ahead and click on open. Go ahead and click on next, 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 and let's go. It's that simple. Camera permission should, in case you want to scan to PDF, allow permission. Photo and video permission, click on while using the app, then turn on permission for photo and video should, in case you want to import photos into the PDF editor environment. Allow all file access, allow turn on permission. Then go ahead and turn on the permission right here, then go back right here. Then you are in the environment of the great free PDF editor in Android phone. So these are the stuff you can do here: document editor, content editor, automation, protect PDF, watermark your PDF, sign your PDF, and create a PDF right here. You can go ahead and click on recent right here. So under the recently right here, this is where you see some of the PDF you work with recently, your favorite tab. This is where you see some of your favorite tool you have used so far. Click on settings right here. Here you have some of things about this particular app right here. It's that simple. Go back to the home page right here. Very easy to use to create PDF, edit your PDF, add or modify your PDF as the case may be. If you need this particular PDF, you can check the description of this video to get a link for this particular PDF on a Windows PC and at the same time on iPhone. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use this particular PDF editor, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.